Hello everyone, welcome to Virakti Education. So most people solve this question like 14 minus 14 is equal to 0. Then again 14 minus 14 is equal to also 0. Now 0 multiplies 0 is equal to 0. But this answer is not correct. This answer is completely wrong. Now let's solve this problem correctly by using a PEMDAS rule, okay? PEMDAS. According to PEMDAS rule, P means parenthesis, A means exponents, M means multiplication, D means division, A means addition, and S means subtraction. First priority is parenthesis, second priority is exponents, third priority is multiplication and division. Multiplication and division both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right. Fourth and last priority is addition and subtraction. Also addition and subtraction both have equal priority, so we have to solve it from left to right, okay? So here is the first priority is multiplication. So first we have to solve this multiplication, okay? So is equal to 14 minus, now multiply 14, okay? So 14 multiply 14 is equal to 196 minus 14. Now 196, 14 minus, here is a subtraction and here also is subtraction. So first priority is this subtraction because we have to solve it from left to right, okay? Both have equal priority. So 14 minus 196 is equal to minus 182 minus 14, okay? Now minus 182 minus 14 is equal to minus 196, okay? So the correct answer is minus 196. If you like this problem, please like, share and subscribe Virakti Education YouTube channel, and do not forget to comment your answer. Thanks for watching the video.